Ever wondered why bathroom accessories are more than just decoration? They're key to turning your bathroom into a functional, organized, and stylish space. In this video, we'll explore how the right accessories can transform your bathroom, making it more efficient and visually appealing. Let's begin with organization, the backbone of a functional bathroom. Think about it. Without towel racks, toilet paper holders, or storage baskets, you'd probably find yourself scrambling for a clean towel every morning. These simple accessories are the unsung heroes of bathroom organization, keeping your essentials in place and within reach. Items like soap dishes, toothbrush holders, and storage bins might seem small, but they play a big role in keeping your bathroom tidy and your countertops clear. Essential organizational tools such as towel bars, hooks, and drawer organizers ensure that your bathroom stays clutter-free, helping you save time and stay stress-free. Next, let's talk about functionality. Bathroom accessories are designed to make your daily routines smoother and more comfortable. Take heated towel rails, for example. They keep your towels warm and dry, giving you a cozy touch after every shower. Or consider soap dispensers and toothbrush holders. They prevent countertop clutter, ensuring your bathroom stays neat and hygienic. Storage solutions like baskets and trays help you keep personal items organized, within reach and out of sight, giving your bathroom a calm, uncluttered vibe. When you choose accessories that complement your fixtures like matching faucets or shower heads, it creates a seamless look, making your space as efficient as it is beautiful. But accessories aren't just about function. They're an essential part of your bathroom's overall style. Mirrors, lighting, and even soap dishes contribute to the aesthetic of your bathroom. When these elements match in finish and style, they pull the entire look together, giving your bathroom a polished, cohesive feel. Whether you prefer modern, minimalist, or vintage designs, coordinating your accessories with your bathroom theme enhances its atmosphere. For example, a set of uniform brass fixtures or elegant towel racks can bring a sense of sophistication and unity, while still serving a functional purpose. Now let's focus on space. In smaller bathrooms especially, making the most of every inch is crucial. Accessories like corner shelves and compact storage units help you maximize your space without overcrowding the room. Look for multifunctional pieces like mirrors with built-in storage or wall-mounted shelves that make use of vertical space. These clever solutions eliminate the need for bulky furniture, making even the tiniest bathroom feel open, airy, and comfortable. From organization to functionality and aesthetic appeal, bathroom accessories are key to creating a space that works for you. When you invest in the right accessories, you're not just enhancing your bathroom's efficiency, you're also elevating its design. So, if you're ready to make your bathroom both beautiful and practical, the right accessories are your first step. Which accessories will you add to your bathroom? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to elevate your space.